If you put money first before value, you will suffer in 2026. You are into audio content creation and the first thing you are thinking about is money. How? Thief. Why? Because monetization is a process. You have to work with the process. See, in content creation world, money is not always first. So you can ask any content creator you know out there. Audio, visual, they will tell you that you have to keep putting the work before you start seeing money. But the truth is, when the thing go pay you, even yourself, you go shock. But the real question is, are you ready to put in the work so that you can make the money in the future? Consider this audio content creation as a long-term investment. With that way, you know that you are not pouring water into baskets. You know you are pouring it into a basin or into a bucket, that one day it will overflow. And that overflow will overflow in your account. Yes, so my country people, this now audio active wave with Vinney Oxygen. And over here we preach laziness, audio content creation, and faceless content. If you fit talk, you fit create anything. And today I can't tell you about monetization process in audio content creation world. How long it takes, how long you will achieve it is all about how much work you put into it. Monetization is not a magic. You cannot wake up all of a sudden, you are just starting and you start making money. Now, the best way to make money in the audio content creation world, aside the fact that I'm a voiceover artist, you can also be a podcaster. But right now, Spotify does not monetize Nigerian accounts for now. I don't know if that will change in the next minute, but for now, the only way you make money from the podcast is if you are influencing for brands, for businesses on your podcast. That's if you have a lot of listeners. But the thing is, voiceovers, of course, you can do voiceovers and charge, you get paid instantly. Depends on how much of quality and value you render to your clients. But generally, let's say you are doing this audio content creation relatively in everything that you just even said, voiceover, podcasting, storytelling, music, whatever you are doing that has to do with audio, because we do audio content creation here. Monetization is not immediate. It is inevitable, yes, but it is not immediate because you have to put in the work. You have to keep creating this content and posting every single day. You have to keep showing people, putting out your work out there, because the truth is, this is a long-term investment. I have considered content creation as an investment I'm doing because content creation takes time. This audio active wave I'm doing, it takes time. Not to say because I can't get the talk, it is say I put in a lot of work to making sure that this thing work. And I know it's an investment because it's taking my time. Time is money. It's also taking data. It's taking a lot of things which they are valuable to me. So if I can invest this value, I know that my ROI is going to be massive on the long run, but I don't know when exactly. But I know that someday, very soon, I'll get monetized, either on YouTube or Facebook or any of these platforms. I'll get monetized and I'll start making my money. But I make money as an audio content creator because I do storytelling and I do voiceovers, which I'm being paid to do. If I have clients for them or I'm working for a brand, whatever the case may be, I make money from these things. That's one of the ways. So if you're already making money from audio content creation, wow, kudos to you. I'm really proud of you. And if you want to make money from audio content creation, what I would advise is to start voiceovers. Voiceovers will make you earn money. Might not be immediate. You have to put in the work. Also, like I said, everything is about putting in the work. Don't let your village people confuse you. Where you should, once you start making money. Nah lie. I'm here to counter the fact that you cannot immediately start making money. You have to put in the work. It's a process now. You just you just enter university, say you want to collect certificates, go they work. You be thief. You are lazy, broke, and proud. Relax. Let us tell you what's up. Let's tell you what's up now. So that's how to get about the whole monetization thing. It's not like you will not make money, but when you reach a certain stage, that's when you start making the money. So the idea that as I'm starting this thing in the next 2 weeks, I'll start making money. Remove it, yo. It's not gonna work, Benyam. It's not gonna work, except say you don't already get foundation for the audio content creation before. That's that's the way you start making money. Let us not deceive ourselves. Let's not lie. Let's not thief. Yes, so my country people, this is the audio active wave with Vinney Oxygen, and today I don't tell you about the monetization process and if you can be monetized as an audio content creator. Yes, you can. On the long run, don't worry, everywhere goes soft. If you don't learn something for today's wave, oh yeah, drop the wave emoji in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe, follow, and I'll see you in my next wave. Wave off!